Governor Reynolds today eased some COVID-19 restrictions in 77 of Iowa's 99 counties, allowing some businesses to reopen Friday.
For the other 22 counties, including Polk and Dallas, the current restrictions remain in effect until at least May 15th.
Iowa sees another 349 new cases of COVID-19 for a total of nearly 5,900 cases and 9 more deaths, making for 127 coronavirus deaths in our state. The easing of restrictions comes before Iowa hits its peak in coronavirus cases. KCCI's Chris Gothner is live in downtown Des Moines with the governor's rationale for reopening.
Well, the governor says this hits the balance between keeping people healthy and restarting the economy. In a move to restart Iowa's economy, Governor Reynolds announced Monday that parts of the state can partially reopen Friday. In 77 counties, restaurants, malls, gyms, racetracks, and libraries can reopen at 50% capacity. The governor says these counties have no COVID-19 cases or are on the downswing, but they only represent about 45% of Iowa's population. The other 22, where full restrictions remain in place through at least May 15th, make up about 55%. In the KCCI viewing area, those include Dallas, Polk, Marshall, Jasper, and Poweshiek. State epidemiologist Dr. Caitlin Padati explained the public health rationale for reopening.
I think that what Iowa has seen with our trend in cases over time is similar to what many states have seen in terms of the activity, and where we start to see, as we're expanding testing resources, we're able to identify additional cases and we're able to implement control measures in a more targeted way.
University of Iowa epidemiologist Dr. Eli Perencevich responded to the new guidelines. He tweeted, "It's not a good idea to reopen the state before the peak and with 3 of the fastest growing outbreaks in your state." That's based on nationwide data from the New York Times. Now, the governor says she is willing to tighten things back up if the need arises. The governor was also asked today about the possibility of Iowans traveling from an unopened county to an open one, potentially spreading the virus. She simply responded that Iowans will need to be responsible. Live in downtown Des Moines, Chris Gothner, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
One Ames restaurant owner is overjoyed with the governor's reopening announcement. Larry Goodale runs the Grove Cafe on Main Street. He has only been able to offer takeout for more than 6 weeks now. Goodale says it now takes him a week to earn what he used to make on one Saturday. He is happy to have the chance to reopen Friday, even if he can only serve half of his usual capacity.
I thought that was a start. We'll get to be half capacity. And that'll be pretty good for me because I'm never really full except on the weekends. So hopefully we could get close to business as normal 2/3 of the time.
Goodale is thankful for the carry-out customers who supported him during this pandemic. He hopes they return to dine in the cafe on Friday.
Churches in all of Iowa's 99 counties can reopen on Friday under the governor's new order. But as KCCI's Ticia Muzinga tells us, there will be restrictions.
Well, that's right, Steve. The governor's office says there can be more than 10 people at religious gatherings. The hosts have to make sure people are practicing social distancing and deep clean the facility. Governor Reynolds' office says this restriction was lifted over all 99 counties because of civil liberties. Reverend Mike Rose with the Mission Church says there's no plan to get people back into the building immediately.
Tomorrow morning, we have our staff meeting. And so the first thing we're going to do is be talking about what does this mean? How does this look for us? And when would be the potential first dates that we would be looking at inviting folks to come back to the facility and meet together.
Reverend Rose says the church will continue online services until they make a decision. He says he hopes the church will open its doors by Mother's Day.